Look at the fucking spiders. That thing is fucking huge. Look at that. They're gigantic. I'm crawling around the fucking ground out here with all this shit. Anyway, guys, what's going on? So, back working on the Z. Today, if I don't get bit by a goddamn spider back here. Oh, look at that one. Damn. I might have to do some spider control. Anyway, we're going to be taking out the passenger side here. Yeah. Get down in here, see if you guys can see this. So I've already done the driver's side. We're going to drop the whole entire lower control arm. We're going to take off the axle here, and then we'll drop the actual suspension and get it off one big piece so that we aren't having to deal with the spindle pins while it's on the car. When I did the other side, the spindle pin refused to move. I could move the lower control arm whenever I used the washers and the bolt method to kind of pull it out. And I ended up stripping the threads on the bolt and whacked it and mushroomed it, and ended up dropping the whole thing out and using the Sawzall and cutting the splines and got it out. But we'll do a separate video when we're doing that. And we'll go from there. So we're gonna start by getting rid of this fucking spider. Get some of this lovely stuff out of the way. I need to take that. And yourself. Ooh, even better. Okay, where the fuck's that nasty ass spider at? Get you guys a better angle. Oh, where'd you go? It's not good. Not him. Where'd he go? I don't like that. I'm just gonna shove that right there and hopefully it doesn't come out. Alright, that's how we're gonna play. Okay, so first thing in order is take out these axle nuts. These are 14 millimeter. So we're gonna do this support for the lower control arm as well as the other support for the lower control arm, which are all 14. Have to pump up the floor jack again so that we can get out the. We're gonna drop the rear diff mount, the front rear diff mount. In order to get the lower control arm out. Okay. First bolt. We gotta do these fucking brake lines, god damn it. Yep. Put all these together and we'll be right back. Right, so I'll also put that together and drop this out. Is not how they're supposed to go, but for the sake of time, that and boom. So rear sway bar disconnected, the rear axle is disconnected, brake lines, gotta get a damn wrench for that, and we'll do both lower control arms and then unbolt 3 bolts up top and boom, everything falls out. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so under the car, you have your rear lower control arm mounts. Here, you got 2 14 millimeter bolts, and then you have your front rear differential mount that is also the mount for the lower control arm. So And take these. Get these undone. So, okay. Left to Lucy. Left to Lucy. Left to Lucy. This starts getting close. Walk over here. Grab on. It's gonna be fucking heavy. You gonna come off or what? Oh, there it goes. Okay. And we're free. Okay. So, carefully. Oh no, that's not good. Back in there. Okay. Do. Burns free. Free. It might be more of a bear to do it like this, but that's how I did it. Okay. Now I gotta do the dangerous. Ooh.